Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to World Class Knowledge by LM. Here in this video you will learn about how to make notes for current affairs for CSS exam. Before making notes for current affairs, you have to know about there are 5 most common sources of current affairs. The number 1 is newspaper. That may be Dawn News, New York Times, The Express Tribune. The second one is Jahangir World Time magazine. The third one is recent article at Pace website. The fourth one is Random Contemporary Affair Journal online. The fifth one is magazines like Current Affairs and Herald. Now, what you have to do is keep reading, consulting these resources throughout the years, and whenever you find something interesting which can play a role in CSS, cut it out from the paper and save it in a separate folder while highlighting the important facts and figures out of it. The second step comes on 15th December. Get that folder in which you have been saving all the data and divide those cutting as per their field, that is education, health, security, policies, world conflicts, organizations. The third step is to make a folder of blank pages for each category. Fourth step is start reading those folders one by one and keep writing the underlined facts and figures in your folder of blank pages in point form. The last step or fifth step is very simple. Gather all the data and revise it. This is how you will gather facts and figures of all past years and can use them anywhere in your exam. From essay to current affairs to Pakistan affairs, Islamia to optional subjects.